mga pinaka-memorable games ko, yung Alaska, Ginebra game, 1996, All Filipino. Alam ko throughout that Alaska was dominating the game. Hirap na hirap kami makahabol. We were down by 4 nga, and then 22 seconds left. And nagbigay ng instruction si coach.
Ito ka, JB. Okay. Etong fake mo dyan. Nandiyan ang tao mo. Labas ka rito pag ganito. Tapos ibalik mo doon. Okay. Pag naiwan, JB, hindi yung nakatalikod. I-shot mo. May shooting ka.
Just by giving me the go signal, yung confidence ko nag-soar. Talagang yung iba, hindi ko ma-control. Siguro, it showed that after years of playing with him, he had the confidence pa rin to go down the wire with having me to take the shot. So, iba yung nagawa ng pagturo niya sa akin. And luckily for me, I was able to come through.
Binigay kay Gayoso. Gayoso goes for the 3. Yes! Pumasok! Ngayon, pwede na silang pumaul.
After taking the first shot, I knew we had a chance with 14 seconds left. I knew we had a chance. We just had to play it smart, no? Kasi foul trouble na rin kami, so penalty na alam namin pwede pa, may pag-asa pa. So sinundan lang namin yung plays niya, kung sino pa-foulin. Actually, hindi dapat si Johnny yung pa-foulin, pero luckily si Johnny na naka-foul namin. Confident ako pasok yung shot ni Johnny, dalawa eh. So sinabi ko na ako mag-i-inbound. Kasi ibabato ko talaga, nagsenyasa na yata. Alam ko nagsenyasa kami with Vince eh. Kasi si Vince, laki rin ng kumpiyansa ko sa tira niya. Without my knowledge, yun nga, biglang si Pido, sinabihan na kami, sinisigaw niya na, oh, whatever happens, yung bola sa akin. So to accept the acknowledgement na from your co-players na ako yung tatangan ng bola, yung pinaangat ni Joris yung confidence ko, lalong umakyat ba because iba yung dating eh. So, yun, nung sinigaw nga ni Pido, tapos nagmintis si Johnny, may pag-asa.
Pangalawang tira. Hoy, pumalog. Wala pa rin Marlo Aquino. Holding is a 2-point shot. Yes, Aquino must go down. Gayoso goes for a 3. Oh! Pumasok! Pumasok! Oh my God, I don't believe this. 6.7 seconds to go. Ginebra is now in the lead by 1 at 97 to 96. On a gutsy 3-point shot by JB Gayoso.
My mind was just to score. Kasi unang-una hindi ko tinignan kung ilan lamang nila, hindi ko tinignan yung seconds to go. Alam ko na lang konti na lang ang time kasi added pressure yun eh. So nakita ko lang while dribbling, nakita ko lang libre ako sa tres. Boom, automatic tumira ako. Pasok, hindi, sorry. Kasi nga, like wala nang pressure dahil alam ko talo na kami dapat eh. Masaya ako na pasok. Pero I'll be honest, ngayon ko lang na-admit, kala ko tayo eh. Kala ko tayo, pag shoot ko, kala ko tayo. Kasi hindi ko nga tinitingnan. Pag tinitingnan ko ang score, nape-pressure ako eh. So tinitingnan ko lang ang sitwasyon. Nung nakita ko ng... Kaya pag tira ko, wala eh. Wala akong reaction eh. Nung nakita ko, yung score, nalaman kami nisa. Tsaka ako sumunta, alam ko eh. One of the feelings na I can't forget because alam ko, bihira lang mangyari yun to hit 3-point shot. I try to contribute as much. Of course, yung never say die will always be in me because kaya nga ako yung tinawagan ni Mr. Adrenaline, I will always go all out because there's no point in not going all out. It's not me. If I don't go or try to do my best, then it's not me.